Hello everyone. Today, after the laws of motion, we're gonna understand the linear momentum. Alright? Linear momentum. सबसे पहले we're gonna start with momentum, a basic definition of momentum. Alright? We can say that the quantity of motion, the quantity of what? The quantity of motion present in a body, that's called momentum. Alright, that is called momentum. ठीक है. Or we can also say that the product of simple product भी कह सकते हैं मोमेंटम को. Simple product, what is simple product? Simple product means scalar multiplied by vector, we get simple product. We have the scalar quantity in momentum, mass, multiply velocity, that is a vector quantity. When we multiply them both, we will get momentum, that is represented with P. Alright, ठीक है. Now let's just see few basic points. That is a simple product, and simple product make the vector product. Okay, when scalar multiplied by vector, the product is simple, or you can say vector. So momentum is a vector quantity. Alright, and the unit of momentum in MKS is meter per second. Alright, and in SI system, Newton second, we're gonna drive that. And the dimension of momentum is MLT minus 1, that is related to impulse. Right, momentum की dimension is same as impulse. Alright, abhi now we have discussed that momentum is equal to mass into velocity. The product of mass and velocity is known as momentum. So mass का क्या होता है हमारे पास? यूनिट किलोग्राम. वेलोसिटी मीटर पर सेकेंड. ऑलराइट, मीटर पर सेकेंड जो होता है दैट इज इन SI और MKS. ठीक है. नाउ इफ वी लुक अप द डायमेंशन, M means mass, L meter, L and second time. When it will go up, it will become MLT minus 1, reciprocal. Alright, now talking about the impulse, that how impulse dimension is same as momentum. So impulse is known as force into time. Larger the quantity of force in the small interval of time. Alright, so force, we know that the force unit is Newton, time unit is second, Newton second. Alright, now I'm going to tell a key point over here, that the rate of change of momentum is known as force. Alright, the rate of change of momentum is called force. Alright, now we're gonna see law of conservation of momentum with a very good example. ठीक है, law of conservation of momentum. ठीक है, and this will happen in the isolated system. What is isolated system? Isolated system means in which no external forces is being attracted, या there is no contact of external forces. For example, this is a body A that has a mass and that has a velocity u1. ठीक है, and this is a body V that has mass m2 and u2. ठीक है, this is before collision. जुड़ने से पहले, मिलाव से पहले, this is the position and you can observe the masses of them as well, u1 u2. ठीक है, now I'm gonna make the diagram of after collision. AC means after collision. ठीक है, force लगी, body become close आ गई, collision हुआ. ठीक है, तो after the collision there will be velocity and v1 and v2. ठीक है, now we're gonna prove that when the bodies are colliding in isolated system, ठीक है, the total momentum of body A and B remain same. इसका और उसका momentum जो है, इसका momentum will remain same. We're gonna prove that in the isolated system. ठीक है, now before collision, body A that is equal to m1 and u1. ठीक है, body B that is m2 and u2. ठीक है, and after collision हमारे पास आएगा body A that is m v1 and body B that is m v2. ठीक है, if we combine them both तो m u1 plus m2 u2. ठीक है, then we combine them these both m1 v1 plus m2 v2. all right, now the rate of change, now I'm gonna write a statement that the rate of change of mass of a body A का मास that is FA. ठीक है, हमने इसको द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मास, ठीक है, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मास ऑफ अ बॉडी ए, हमने बॉडी ए को FA से रिप्रेजेंट किया. ठीक है, दैट इज m1 v1 माइनस m2 v दैट्स u. ठीक है, ये u है, u2 ऑन interval of time, because we know that the rate of change of momentum is known as force. तभी हमारे पास ये change in time आ रहा है. ठीक है, now we're gonna look at the rate of change of mass F of a body B that is equal to FB. ठीक है, हमने बॉडी बी को इससे रिप्रेजेंट किया एंड द फॉर्मूला वुड बी m1 v1 माइनस m2 v2 डेल्टा टी. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज़ u. यहाँ पे u है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास v है. ऑलराइट, ये है हमारे पास बिफोर कोलिजन, ये है हमारे पास आफ्टर कोलिजन. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, every action is equal to an opposite reaction. So FA minus FB, this minus shows the opposite sign. Sorry, this minus shows the एक फोर्स यहाँ से आ रही है, दूसरी फोर्स उसके एंटी पैरेलल आ रही है, तो दैट इज नोन एज माइनस. तभी माइनस लगाया हमने. तो नाउ वी गोना राइट बोथ द इक्वेशंस m2 v2 delta t, then we have m2 v2 minus of m1 v2. sorry, values आगे पीछे होंगे but does not matter. t से t cancel. now we have m1 v1, ठीक है, m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. all right, now we have now what we gonna do is that हमने देख लिया कि मास m1 u1 m2 u2 m1 v1 m2 v2 that are now equal. ठीक है, तो when a body A and a body B is in the isolated system के अंदर होंगी, तो collision के बाद their momentum will remain same. ये इस बात से प्रूव हो गया, ठीक है। It is proved now that after the collision, in the isolated system, when two bodies A and B collide with each other, their momentum will remain same, ठीक है। So this was it about our topic.